Hello everyone, it's Anett with a lovely mini album project. I created a circle-shaped mini album. The pages are cut with the Intricate Mandala die from Pinkfresh studio. I use white cardstock and pattern paper from the Let's Stay Home collection. This is a really intricate die, so better go through with the machine 2 or 3 times to cut it through perfectly. For embellishing the pages, I cut some artistic bows too. Nowadays I put a bow on every of my page. I try to use every bit of my pattern paper, so I cut out the little hearts of the scraps. This will be really good for embellishing the pages later. Here are my pages. I already made my cover from clear acetate of camera. The title says Home in Hungarian. I printed my photos in circle form. These are all little snapshots of our life during lockdown. I decided to decorate my pages with the phrase builder dies from Pinkfresh studio. I cut them of foam and pattern paper and I adhered them together. It is much higher than a simple paper and it gives great dimension. Next you can see me creating some pages, and at the end of my video there is a flip through, so you can jump right there if you want to see that right now. It is at 7:09. Thank you so much for stopping by. You always make me happy with your likes and comments. See you next time.